This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. This corner condo with newly painted walls and new flooring in all the rooms is waiting for you. Seller recently installed laminate flooring in living areas and carpeting in bedrooms. Painted walls in a basic white, so therefore it will be easy to decorate and make it your own. Newer vanity in master bath, organizers in walk-in closet. Stainless refrigerator in kitchen. Florida room features table and chairs that seller will leave for his convenience. Condo fee includes water, sewer, cable TV, internet, trash pickup, insurance on building, roof and exterior maintenance. Only utility is electric West/FPUA. Contents insurance is only other annual fee that a new owner will need to have. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.